Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among lush green meadows and tall trees, there lived a peculiar rabbit named Rosie. Rosie was always full of energy and loved exploring the world around her. One sunny morning, as Rosie was passing through the forest, she accidentally bumped into a lost bird. The bird seemed scared and lonely, softly chirping for help. Rosie kindly, "Don't worry, little birdie, I'll help you find your family." Rosie gently placed the baby bird on her back, protecting it with her warm embrace, and embarked on a journey to reunite it with its parents. She passed through grassy meadows, climbed rocky hills, and ventured through dense thickets, all while listening to the cheerful chirping of other birds, guiding her to their nest. After hours of searching, Rosie finally arrived at a towering tree adorned with leaves. One branch held a nest filled with other birds, eagerly awaiting their little one's return. Rosie cautiously approached, placing the baby bird with its parents, giving them a heartfelt reunion. The joyous reunion warmed Rosie's heart. Seeing the bird family embracing their little one filled her with an indescribable happiness. She couldn't help but smile at the sight. Just as Rosie turned to leave, the mother bird flew back and landed beside her. With gratitude shining in her eyes, she spoke to Rosie. "Bird mother, gratefully, kind rabbit, we are grateful for saving our precious child and bringing back to us. Your selflessness and compassion have shown us the true meaning of kindred." Rosie humbly, "It's my pleasure to help. I believe that acts of kindness and helping others create a better world for everyone." From that day forward, Rosie was known as the hero of the jungle. She continued to spread kindness and lend a helping hand to those in need, teaching everyone the importance of empathy and compassion. Her brave and caring story inspired others to follow in her footsteps, treating a brighter. The moral of the story is that even small acts of kindness can have a profound impact on others.